Hi, my name is Dushyant Savaria. I am the founder and CEO of the Amber Group. And I wanted to first commend JCF for the amazing work the team has done. Everybody has made sure that the country is getting safer. There is so much of good that is coming out of the JCF to protect citizens in Jamaica. And I think the expo that is coming up in June for JCF, we are, as Amber Group, one of the major sponsors for that expo. But I also want to ask each and every one of you to come out and look at the work they do. Come and experience the technology that is being used by the JCF to safeguard the country and its citizens. It's the era of technology, and JCF has really embraced technology so fast. And also, at the same time, you will be introduced to Jamaica's first AI Constable 2. So please come enjoy the expo and make sure you're there. Thank you.
Greater operational capabilities. We also see significantly improved public perception. We have seen more confident and effective members and a highly motivated workforce. And in my last article in December, I indicated that this is what criminals will have coming at them for 2025. A well-oiled, well-tuned machine.